communication production. Enjoy the show. One late and rainy day in a town full of integers, the positive numbers were out to play in the puddles, while the negatives stayed inside. The mayor of the town didn't accept this behavior, so he turned them right around. Then he decided a safer place for all the integers, positive and negative, would be in a word cloud.
The town of integers had a big problem. A ton of numbers and vocabulary words were being sucked up into a word cloud.
This is where our story begins and how our enchanted word cloud came to be.
One day I was walking through the word cloud forest thinking about negative and positive values. I had been confused about the difference between the two. I came upon the fairy who said, "I can teach you, then we can make a word cloud together."
Called a word cloud, where math vocab words of all kinds spin in a circle and get flipped backwards depending on if they have a negative value or not. We should get more people and do one together.
What's a word cloud? A word cloud is art made of words that form an image and represent a mathematical value.
Miss McCluskey was explaining a word cloud, and then it hit me. I knew exactly what words to put in it. Range, inequality, sum, power, and mean.
Our whole society is built off of a chart. This chart helps you find the integer value of your name. If it is a negative number, then you always have to write backwards.
I have a special magical cookbook that tells me how to find the value of each of the words, so I use that to add the words and their corresponding numbers. When I used the magical cookbook to find the word integer's value, it fizzled, popped, and gave me the value of -7.
Whoever is negative will get cursed by the negative police and will be backwards forever.
-2 was telling me about the mayor of Integerland, Mr. Sun. He could solve any problems. Everyone found the sum of their name using the chart of values. I was amazed.
The negatives joined the positives in the word cloud. They entered by backwards using their absolute value.
If the numbers are the same size as the words, the number is a sum.
The words that are backwards show their additive inverse. Suddenly I plummeted to the ground and woke up. Although it was just a dream, I will never forget my word cloud. It made me realize that numbers can have a meaning outside of math.
Why are all the words backwards? Except for power, though. Before I made it, I used a letter to number chart and found the sum of the numbers. If the sum of the word was negative, then the word was spelled backwards.
Opposites has a value of 17. Power has a value of 12. Positive number has a value of 6. Altogether, they are the positive family. Absolute value has a value of -13. Integers has a value of -7. Together, they are the negative family. When the two families are put together, they make an amazing circular word cloud that has all their absolute values in it.
Each integer family words and values lived in a different geometric shape.
Our family of integers all scattered when we visualized our collection of words and values.
Now the word cloud is home to both positives and negatives living together in a circle.
At the school in Mathville, everybody loved math class.
because they learned about integers and how to use every operation with them.
The cloud was made by putting their numbers in colors using WordArt, and used how big their numbers were to create a size.
Our word clouds became beautiful and whimsical pieces of art containing our calculated word values.
Our family of integers lived happily ever after in their word cloud.